are we doing?
Going to buy me a bike.
Sweet. Fueling up real quick in the Duramax. There's Tiff's new bike. All strapped down. Probably need to make sure these are tight. Get those going. Yeah. Looks pretty solid, right? The purple looks like it's a dip. The original color is actually red. It's not too bad, looks good. Might switch to real plastics later, but now this is good. Got an aftermarket exhaust on there. Solid bike, 2,000 bucks. Diesel prices are getting insane. Across the street, it's $3.99. Over here, it's $3.36. So we're gonna stick with that. That's enough until we get home. It's way cheaper back at home, so. Gotta explain what we're doing.